friends, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. If you're new to this channel, I say a warm welcome to you. Today we're making a simple fried fish tomato stew, okay? So into a saucepan, I added turkey bacon and locust bean powder. All I'm trying to do is build flavor, right? So you add that and stir together. Make sure it turns medium brown and not burnt, okay? Just like in the video. And then at this point, I go ahead and add my chopped onions, shrimp powder, fish powder, and then stir it together. We're still building flavor. Alright friends, after a minute or two, I go ahead and add tomato paste depending on the quantity you're making, okay? So I add my tomato paste and then I stir, still making sure my heat is not too high to prevent the stew from burning. Alright, so after the tomatoes have dissolved, I am going to go ahead and add my fresh tomatoes. I'm using a canned, crushed, fresh tomatoes. It's much easier for me. But you can blend fresh tomatoes as well. Yeah. So go ahead, stir, and then cover and let it simmer for like 5-10 minutes. I go ahead and add habanero pepper to give it the kick. This pepper is very, very, very strong. So I'm adding only one. Depending on your strength, you can go ahead and add as many as you want, all right? Friends, at this point, I'm adding some curry powder and salt to taste. Like I said, this stew is very simple yet delicious. So I go ahead again, stir and cover and let it cook for a few more minutes. Now, as soon as you see oil building on your stew, you know your stew is almost ready. So friends, after a few more minutes, you want to go ahead and add slices of onions and orange bell pepper to your stew. This is going to add flavor and aroma to the stew. Go ahead and stir, cover for a minute or two, okay? And add the fried fish or any protein of your choice. And then you want to go ahead and gently cover this fish with the stew. Now you want to be gentle with this so it doesn't break, the fish doesn't break, okay? We just want to cover the whole thing with the stew and then let it marinate. The juices enter the fish, just like I'm doing in the video. And guys, what would you pair the stew with? If you can type it in the comment section, let me know what you will pair the stew with. But look at this friends. It's so beautiful. You can't go wrong with this stew. If you have a visitor in the house and all of a sudden you have to make something for them, this is your go-to. You can pair this with rice, you can pair it with yam, plantain, beans, bread, kinky, etc. So friends, your stew at this point is ready. Thank you so much for watching the videos till the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Be safe and God bless. Bye.